Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arsun Woods. In this video, we are going to talk about the room chairs. Chair is something very important because every house has one. Whenever we move into a new house, the first thing we look for is something to sit on. And chairs are used almost everywhere in a house. It can be your bedroom, it can be your lobby, it can be your drawing room, and it can be your bar stools or bar chairs or even a small chair for a dressing table. So chairs are different types. And I forgot the dining chairs. So different chairs are different concept. Generally, we do not give a lot of thought about the chair design or what chair works with which place. Right now, I'm showing you room chairs. There are three different designs and is a pair. Two chairs for each design and the same fabric in two chairs along with a center stool. The designer stool you see here sitting right in the middle. And this is basically a concept of two chairs with the middle designer stool. Now this can either be used as a side table. So someone sitting here can use it for tea or coffee, sit here and can use it easily. Or it can be used for a designer vase or a statue or something decorative to keep in the middle. Now I'll talk about the design part, and the basic, very basic of a room chair is the comfort. I'll sit on one chair, I'll show you how the comfort zone is decided. When we are sitting on it, we should have enough space. The legs should be properly touching the ground. Area till the knee should be covered because this is the area that requires extra support. The back should be good enough, not too inclined or declined. So sitting comfortably, and the hand part. That's the most important part for the comfort. If you want to check, you can see sitting on a stool like this, keep your hand like this, keep your hands like this, or make a couple of positions and see when you are getting comfortable. The point where your hands are in comfort position, at that time you will find the most comfort. And here you can see I'm sitting on it, both my hands are resting properly, I have the grip, I have this support, and now is the comfort zone. I can sit here for a couple of hours, talk to people, have my meeting, and then we can move out without any issues. Talking about the cushion part. The cushion should not be very soft. Very soft cushion, what it does, when I'm sitting on it, I'll get right inside the unit if it's too soft because the pressure, the sitting weight is at the back. So this part is pushing the cushion downwards. When I'm sitting here and if this is very soft, I'll go right inside the chair, and at the time of getting up, I'll have to put a lot of pressure on the knees. Let me show you, like I'm sitting like this. So I'll have to put pressure on knees to get up. That's not an ideal position because the time you are putting pressure on your knees, your back would also put a lot of pressure to get up. What we use here is 40 density cushion. So it's not very hard, not very soft. So you'll not feel uncomfortable sitting or getting up. About the overall design. The designs are two types. The handle, here you can see the complete wooden handle, or the cushion handle, just like the one you're looking at here. Sometimes you also get slight cushions like just a small band of cushion right in the middle. That thing also works. I've shown that earlier too. Another thing about this chair is single side carved or dual carved. The chair you're looking at this side, I'll turn it over. They're heavy chairs, all made of solid teak wood right here. So you can see the front part and the back part, and you can see how well they are crafted both sides. So if your chair is not going right on the wall, if the back is visible, this is a beautiful concept. Not just the top part, the design in the middle, and even the leg part. So a complete frame is double carved, and that gives the beauty to the chair. Complementing the design, the fabric of this unit, the nice leatherette, this green color leatherette you may have seen in a lot of places, and the fabric on the seat given by the client himself as he liked. I'll show you same chair in different fabric, and you can check the difference. Now here we have two chairs, same design, same carving, and the difference is the fabric. Fabric plays a major role in overall looks. Changing the fabric sometimes changes the complete appearance of the unit, and it depends on the interiors you have, where you want to keep it. Now if I assume correctly, this one is going for a bedroom chair and this one would be in the office area. So that's why the color theme is quite different. Similarly, we have two more chairs here, and here you can see the design on the handles. Again, wood part, dual fabric, and again a dual carved chair. Complementing the overall design, you can see the fabric difference also. Different fabric for different chairs, and that gives the look to the unit. With the change of the fabric, the appearance of the unit changes completely, and that is the beauty of the fabric. The better fabric you choose, the better colors you choose going according to the theme, just like this one. You can see here two different chairs and different fabric altogether. Now if I am not wrong, the right one should be going to a bedroom because it has got lovely colors, and the left one here should be going to an office or some official area, because the green fabric most of the times you may have seen in offices and official meetings. This is one of the most liked fabrics in that case. About the appearance of the entire unit and the colors and the theme, that depends on what you like. The client told us to make it in this color, in matte finish, and we have made one. With double carving again, this one also, and the one sitting here is in single carving. This one is more like a sofa chair. This one right here, this is more like a sofa chair and not the regular bedroom chair. It would work for a bedroom chair as well if you want to keep one. Now I'll move on to the center table, the last thing I want to show you, and this is a round table, three-legged. Generally you have heard about teapoy. A lot of people call the center table as a teapoy. Teapoy, as we call in Hindi, tipaya. So the basic concept is three legs, and this is the thing with the three legs, and again in matte finish, walnut finish, and a beautiful design altogether, nice carving. So bedroom chairs you can choose, design you can choose, fabric you can choose, and let us know what you like and we can make the same for you. If you have any questions, comments, any feedbacks for us, let us know and we'll be happy to discuss about that. You can put in some comments in the section below. If you like our work, please let us know. A little like of yours, we always carve for. Hope you like our work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.